This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101.
Most of you know that, when you're filing in court, we mentioned briefly that it's an indictment in criminal court. In civil court, it's called a complaint or a petition. This particular set of slides says complaint. I usually use the term pleadings or petition, which are in the same idea. If you've been sued, it's important to file an answer within the time limit. Here in Texas, it's generally 20 days after the first Monday. So it gives you about 25 days approximately to file to a case. And then if you're sued, you can also file a counterclaim saying, oh, well, they think they owe me, I owe them money. Well, wait till you see this. They owe me a bunch of money anyway, and that's a counterclaim. I mentioned before about a default judgment. You do not want to take a default judgment. Hard to get around that, and that can be enforced against you. You never had a chance to defend yourself. One of the ways that you can deal with a case that's filed against you that's a bogus case is to go to the judge and say, Judge, we want a motion to dismiss. We want to get rid of this. And this what happens if it's not a proper action, if the court does not have jurisdiction. And especially important is what most attorneys acronym is SL. And it's usually written, if you're taking law school notes, it's S/L, statute of limitations. Virtually every legal claim has a statute of limitations. There are some exceptions: treason, kidnapping, murder, serious crimes like that do not have a statute of limitations. Virtually every civil complaint has a statute of limitations. Usually it's 1 year for defamation, 2 years for most tort claims, 2 years for written contracts. 2 years for oral contracts, 4 years for written contracts. Those are some pretty common statute of limitations.